Hi students, good morning to all. In this class, we see about the adding two-digit numbers. We already learned the 7.1 quick way of addition. In this quick way of addition, we learned the addition table and 4 addition facts, and then finding the pair of 10 and doubling. Okay, well, now in this class we learn about the adding two-digit number. How we add easily two-digit numbers. Okay, well, add the ones and skip count the tens. Okay, well, in two-digit number first we want to add the ones. Okay, well, for example, find the sum of 7 plus 12. Okay, well, first put ones and tens ma. For 12, 2 is ones and the before number is tens. Okay, wow, that is 1 tens, 2 ones. Okay, wow, and then 7 only one number, so ones only have it. There is no tens. Okay, wow. What is the first step? First we add the ones. What are the ones having here? 7, 2. First we add this 2 number. Okay, wow. 7 plus 2 what ma? Very good. 7 plus 2? 9. Say 7 after 2 number. 8, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, we added the ones. Next, skip count the tens. Okay, skip count the tens means nothing. First, now we having the which answer? 9. So put 9 plus, skip counting the tens. In tens place, what having? 1. So, 1 tens means what? 10. Very good. So, 9, put this 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10 what? 19. Okay, wow. So, 7 plus 12 equal to 19. 19 is the answer. Okay, wow. First, we add the ones and write the number, and we can add this answer plus skip counting the tens. Okay, wow. That means 1 10 means 10. 2 10 means 20. 3 in tens place, suppose 3 have means we want to add plus 30. Understood? This is the first example. Now look at the second example. Find the sum of 25 plus 33. First put ones and tens. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Okay, well, first we add what? Adding ones. In ones place 5, 3. So add 5 plus 3 what ma? 5 plus 3, 8. Okay, wow. So put 8 plus, next skip counting. Look at the tens place. Here, 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Okay, wow. Then here 1 tens having. 3 tens means 30. So 8 plus 20 plus 30. Okay, wow. Now we want to add this 3 numbers. Okay, wow. 8 plus 30 plus 20. First add the ones. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Ones. First add all the ones ma. 8 plus 0 plus 0. What? 8. Because whenever we add a 0 to any number, it gives what number? The same number. Okay, wow. So 8 plus 0 plus 0, 8. Now we add the tens place. Here there is no tens. Here 3, 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. So put 5. 5, 8, 55. Sorry, 5, 8, 58. Okay, wow. Same like that the second sum. Find the sum of 37 plus 24. Okay, wow. This is the what method ma? Adding two-digit number. Okay, this method is called what? Adding two-digit numbers. Okay, first put ones tens. This is a third sum. Find the sum of 37 plus 24. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Okay, first adding the ones. In ones place, 7 plus 4. Okay, we are adding ones. 7 plus 4 equal to what? Say 7 after 4 number. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is the answer. Now 11 plus, skip counting in tens place, 3 tens. So 3 tens means 30. Okay, so 11 plus 3 tens equal to 30. So 30 plus 2 tens equal to 20. Now we want to add this 3 numbers. Understood, Amma? First put the ones tens. First add the, in addition we start with ones, isn't it? No. So addition, in ones place 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal to what? 1, because adding 1 with any number it gives the same number. So 1. Now in tens place 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, well, 1 plus 3 what? 1 plus 3 4. Now 4 plus 2, 4 after 2 number 5 6. So 6 1 61. Understand, Amma? This is only what? Adding 2 digit number. Is that clear? Now adding 3 digit number. Now we learn how to add the 3 digit number. Okay, va? Here giving the 4 steps. Now we want to follow this 4 step. The first step is expand the numbers. Here giving the 2 numbers, no. Now we want to write the exponent form. Expand the number means nothing, just the exponent form. Okay, va? So first write the exponential form for 576. Okay, va? So ones, tens, 100. Same like that, ones, tens, 100. Okay, va? What is the exponent form? First, what is the number having in 100 place? 5, va? So 5, put the 5. Next, 5 after how many numbers having? 1, 2. 2 numbers are, so put 2 0. In exponent form, we want to use the plus symbol, so put plus. Now what is the next number? 7. So put 7. Okay, then 7 after how many number having? Only one number having. So put only 1 0. And then put again plus. What is the last number? 6. So put the 6. After the 6 there is no any number given. So that's all. The exponent form is over. Okay, well, now what is the exponent form of 576? 500 plus 70 plus 6. Okay, Mama? This is also one way. The another way is what? First put ones, tens, 100. Okay, va? And then in 100 place, what is the number having? 5. So put 500. In exponent form, we use plus symbol, so put plus. 7 tens means 70. Here we use what? 3 tens means 30, yeah? So 7 tens means what? 70. So put 70 plus in ones place 6 only having. So ones means single number, so put 6 itself. Okay, va? Next, now we want to write the 323, yeah? So put ones, tens, 100. Okay. Here 3 in 100 place, what is the number having? 3. So put 300 plus. Okay, next 2 tens are 2 tens means 20. So put 20 plus the last number is 3. So put the number 3. Okay, this is the exponent form for 323. Okay, we write it. Then we want to put the box. 100 one box. Next tens place one box. Next ones place one box. Okay, this is ones, tens, this is 100. Okay, va? First we add the hundreds. What are the hundreds having here? 500, 300. So the second step is add the hundreds. 500 plus 300. Okay, va? Here also 0 0 0 0. 2 zeros having, so answer also put the 2 zeros. Okay, va? And then 5 plus 3 8. So 800. Okay, va? The second step is over. The third step what, ma? Adding the tens. Okay, we already adding the 100. Now we want to add the tens. 70 20. There is 2 numbers. Now we already having the answer 800. So put the number 800 plus What is the first tens? 70. So 70. 800 plus 70. Okay va? So 800 plus 70 what ma? 870. Okay va? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 8, here there is no number. So 8 plus 0, 8. So 870. Okay, and there is another one tens having no. So now what is the answer having? We having 870. So put 870 plus 20. Okay va? 0 plus 0, 0. 7 plus 2, 7 after 2 number 8, 9. So put 9. Then 8 plus 0, 8. So 890. Now what is the answer? Having here 890. Okay va? Now we completed the adding tens. Next we want to adding the ones. The fourth step is adding the ones one by one. Okay va? Now what is the answer having we? 890. So 890 plus what is the first ones? 6. Okay va? 0 plus 6, 6. 89 plus 0, 89. So 896. Okay va? Now we want to add just once only, no. So last two number only we adding. Okay va? Next, what is the answer now having? 896 plus what is the last number? 3. So put plus 3. Okay va? 6 plus 3, 9. No, 89. Here there is no number. So put the 89 here itself. So 899 is the answer. Okay va? This is the way to adding the 3-digit number by step. The first step is write the exponent form for both the number, and then second step is first we adding the 100 and write the answer, and then we adding the tens by one. The last step is adding the ones by one. Understood amma? Now how to write in box? Okay va? First writing the 500 in one box, the second box 70, the third box 6, and then the second row 323. In each and every box write the each number. Okay va? And then now we want to, this is a step 1 this is a step 2 answer, this is a step 3 answer, this is a step 4 answer. Okay va? This is a question ma, this is a exponent form. Okay va? Now in step 2, what is the answer having? 800. So put 800. Okay va? Now we want to add this 800 to 70, isn't it? No. So put the arrow mark. Now in step 3, what is the final answer? 890. So put 890. Now we want to add this 890 to this two numbers. So put the arrow mark. Okay. Now in last step, what is the final answer? 899. Okay. Like the same way, we want to add this sums. Okay. This is a exercise sums. Okay va? Okay ma. The first I am writing the first sum, 543 plus 210. Find the sum of 543 plus 210. This is a question. Now I am explaining the answer. See, the first step is what? Expand the number, isn't it? No. First write the exponent form. 543 equal to, okay, first put ones, tens, 100, and write the exponent form. How many hundreds having? 500. So 500 plus how many tens? 4 tens. 4 tens means 40. Okay. Plus what? How many ones? 3. So put 3. Okay. This is the exponent form. Now we want to write the second number. 210 equal to. First write ones, tens, 100. Okay va? Now here how many? 100 having 200. So 200 plus how many tens? 110. 110 means 10 plus 0. Okay, va? Then after we want to put the box. For 100, one box. The second numbers, one box. The last number, one box. Okay, and put ones tens. The last number ones, the before number tens, and the before number 100. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, va? Now, step 2. What is the step 2, ma? Very good. Add the hundreds. So, add the hundreds. Now we want to add the hundreds, ma. What are the hundreds having here? 5. First we want to add the first box. 500 plus 200. So 500 plus 200 equal to 500 plus 200 what? 0 0 0 0. So put 2 0. 5 plus 2 7. So what is the answer, ma? 700. Okay, va? The step 2 is over. Now this is step 1, step 2. Now the step 3 is adding the tens. Okay, va? Add the tens one by one. Okay, now what is the answer are we having? 700. So put 700 plus, what is the first tens? 40. So put 40 equal to. Okay, well, now we want to add last number. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 7 plus, here there is no number, so put 7 itself. So 700 plus 40 equal to 740. Now write 740 and write the another tens. What is the another 10? 10. So 10 equal to. So 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 7. Here there is no number, so put 7 itself. So 750. Okay, well, now we complete add the tens, isn't it? We completing the adding tens. Now fourth step. Step 4 is, okay, add the ones one by one. Now what is the final answer? 750 plus, now we want to add the ones. What is the first ones? 3. So 750 plus 3 equal to 0 plus 3, 3. And 75, here there is no number, so put 75 itself. So 753. Okay, and another number having in ones place. So 753 plus, what is the next ones, ma? 0. So 753 plus 0 equal to what? Adding the any number with 0 means we get the same number. So 773 is the answer. Now we want to put the box, isn't it? No. Okay, now this like you put the box, ma. 3 rows, 3 columns, because this is a 3-digit number, no? Okay. So first write this box, ma. Okay, first number 500. So put 500. The second number what? 40. So in second box put 40. In third box what having? 3. So put the number 3. Okay, va? Now same like that, write the second exponent form. 200. So put 200. 10. Okay, va? What is the next number? 10, na? So 10. The next number 0. So put 0. Understand? Okay, va? Now we want to write this. Now we want to fill this 3 box, isn't it? No. Now we writing the step 1. Step 1 is exponent form. We write it the exponent form. So now we want to write the step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, va? Now what is the step 2 final answer? Step 2 final answer what, ma? 700. So put the 700 here. Now we want to add the 700 to 40, isn't it? No. So now we want to write the step 3 final answer. Step 3 final answer what ma? 750 yeah. So put 750 here. Okay, well now we want to add the 750 to this 2 number, isn't it? No. Now what is the final answer? 753. Okay, that's all. Clear amma? Now you must write the final answer here. What is the question asking here? 543 plus 210 na? So write the final answer this like. Okay, 543 plus 210 equal to, what is the final answers? 753. Okay, this is a 5 mark questions ma. Okay, in this way you want to write the answer. Put the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and finally you want to create the box and then write the final answer. Understand amma? Okay. Okay, same like that I am writing the next question. 298 plus 501. Okay va? This is the way the question is asking. Now we want to write the answer. Step 1 is expand the number. What is the first number? 298 equal to, first put ones, tens, 100. Here how many hundreds are there? 200 plus 9 tens means 90 plus how many ones? 8 ones. Okay, well now we want to write the second number. 501 na? So how many hundreds having here? 5. So 500 plus 0 tens means 0 only. Okay va? So how many ones? Only 1 ones. So put 1. Now we completing the exponent form and we want to put the box. Okay, this like put the box ma and write ones, tens, 100. Okay, the step 1 is over. Now the step 2. What is the step 2? Very good, add the hundreds. Write step 2, add the hundreds. Okay, what are the hundreds having here? 200, 500. So 200 plus 500 equal to what ma? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 5, very good, 7. So what is the answer? 700. Okay, step 2 is over. Now what is the step 3? Step 3 is add the tens. Write step 3, add the tens 1 by 1. Okay, now what answer having ma? 700. So 700 plus, now we adding the tens. What is the first tens? 90. So put 90 equal to, okay, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 7, here there is no number, so put 7 itself. So 700 plus 90 equal to 790. Now put, what is the answer we having? 790 plus, what is the next tens ma? 0. So put 0 equal to, whenever we add a 0 to any number we get a same number. So 790 plus 0 equal to 790 only. Okay va? Now step 3 is over. Okay va? Now we want to add the ones. So put step 4. So write step 4, add the ones 1 by 1. Okay va? Now what is the final answer ma? 790. So put 790 plus, now we want to add the ones. So what is the first ones? 8. So put 8 plus 8. Okay va? 0 plus 8, 8. Next there is no number, so put 79 itself. So 798. Here also put 798 plus, what is the next ones? 1. So put plus 1 equal to, 8 plus 1 got ma? 9. Okay, there is no number, so put 79 itself. So 799 is the final answer. Okay, va? Now the fourth step is over. Now we want to put the box. Put the box this like. Okay, 3 rows, 3 column. Now we want to fill the first step. What is the first step, ma? Exponent form. So what is the first number? 200. So 200. The second number 90. So put 90. The third number 8. So put 8. Now the next number 500, 0, 1. Okay, Mama. Now step 1 is over. Now we want to fill the step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, Mama. Now what is the final answer of step 2? Step 2 final answer what? 700. So put 700 and put the arrow mark to 700 plus 90. Okay, wow. Now we want to write the step 3 final answer. Step 3 final answer what? 790. So 790 and we want to add this numbers. Now step 4 final answer what? 799. That's all, over. Now we want to write the final answer. First write the question. Okay. 298 plus 501 equal to, what is the final answer, ma? 799. So write the final answer is must. That's all. Like the same way, okay, like the same way you want to write the steps for all the sums. Okay, understand, Amma? Thank you. The another sum is your homework. Do by yourself. Okay.